Hey folks, on a mild day across the valley today. We started cool and yes, we warmed up, but the humidity is still comfortable. Temperatures in the 80s right now in most areas. A little warmer Rio Grande City, 81 Weslaco, and then Raymondville, Port Isabel both at 79. Brownsville, the cool spot at 78 degrees this afternoon. Now, you say goodbye to those numbers because this is where we'll be tomorrow afternoon. Most of the valley 90 plus. I've got 89 in Brownsville. It may well hit 90 there as well. 82 at the beach. That'll be the cool spot, but western part of the valley probably up around 100 degrees tomorrow afternoon. And that's not even the hottest day of the week. I think by the time we get to Wednesday, that will probably be the hottest one, up at around 101. The record's 105, believe it or not. Late April, we can have some hot days. Not every year, but see there's some hot ones in there. 106 is the record on Thursday. Thursday just a little bit cooler because of a brief little cool front that will slide through. But the bottom line is not just the next 3 days, but the next 6 days are all well above average for this time of year. Of course, the Doppler network's been quiet today. Hard to find a cloud, but overnight tonight, I think some clouds will show up and humidity will return by tomorrow morning and be with us most of the day tomorrow. Still, as the day goes on, those morning clouds will burn off. We'll see plenty of afternoon sunshine. That will help warm those temperatures up. Now, you wake up in the morning, there may be some low clouds around, but have no fear. They'll go away, and when that happens, temperatures are going to start to climb. Same kind of thing on Wednesday. Could be some low clouds early, but by afternoon, the sun takes over again, and when that happens, temperatures again off to the races, up to 100 plus across a lot of the valley on Wednesday, probably from about Harlingen, La Feria westward, probably going over 100 on Wednesday, so a very warm day for this time of year. With that, there's no rain. We are dry, dry, dry. Even with those low clouds, late night, early morning, not enough to produce any rainfall, at least nothing measurable. So you're looking at dry conditions, not only through Thursday, but probably all the way through the weekend as well. Now across Texas tonight, most of the state enjoying sunshine today. We've got a few showers off to the west of us, just a little bit of a disturbance over in Mexico, northern Mexico, pushing some moisture this way, but it will fall apart before it gets here. Overhead, things are too dry. At the surface, high pressure is in control. That gives us the southeasterly wind off the Gulf. That brings the moisture, the humidity back in, but still nothing to work with tomorrow, so we're dry tomorrow. Wednesday, here comes this next front, but it's still to the north of us, so we are very warm Wednesday afternoon. That front kind of dies right on top of us Thursday, passes south of us briefly enough to keep Thursday a little bit cooler, but not a lot. Then the front turns around, goes back to the north as a warm front on Friday, and temperatures are back over 100 again. So some very warm temperatures in the forecast. At the coast in the morning, strong southerly winds early at about 23 miles an hour. Temperatures start the day in the 80s and hold there. The UV index is very high. Rip current risk goes up to moderate tomorrow. The surf temperature holds in the mid 70s right now at 76. The bay temperature just a little warmer at 78. The bay is choppy. Seas 4 to 6 feet with 3 tides on the chart for tomorrow. So tonight for 69 for a low. That's 11 warmer than last night. So a very mild night as the humidity comes back in. And then tomorrow back up in the mid 90s. Any clouds in the morning will go away. We're going to end up mostly sunny and downright hot. And even hotter yet on Wednesday. We hold in the mid 90s on Thursday, then back up near 100 on both Friday and Saturday. Another front Sunday brings some drier air in, and then finally a little bit cooler for Monday of next week. By then a high of about 86, so a little closer to what we're seeing across the valley today. But boy, the next few days, way above average for this time of year. That is your updated First One 5 forecast.